Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the new recipe, Indigo Roll Cake. First, make sure you already have the base recipe and the ingredients. Like this. You can get this recipe and the special ingredient called Indigo Sugar, like this, from NPC Doris, who appears only when it's raining. And if you don't know how to get it yet, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below. And then next, just tap on your stove like before, and then just tap on the original recipe, this one, original roll cake. And then next, just change the ingredients, the sugar ingredients, to indigo sugar, like this. And then after that, just simply tap on start cooking. Like this. After successfully cooking it, you will unlock the new recipe, Indigo Roll Cake. Usually there will be a special animations when you cook it for the first time, but in my case there's no animations because I already unlocked the recipe before. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can unlock the Indigo Roll Cake. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!